Bitcoin has been bouncing back towards the upside and is starting to look very good. We are going to need to be talking about that exactly because Bitcoin is printing this new higher low. History is exactly being repeated, and today we are going to be seeing another FOMC meeting. On top of that, we'll need to talk about Ethereum, so guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 300 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into what's a short term. And in that short term, we still have that CME gap still sitting above us. So yeah, 99% of these CME gaps tend to be getting filled very quickly after getting created. So let's see if this CME gap once again is going to be getting filled. We need to be reaching back towards our 105.5k level in order to be filling it. Now yeah, the Bitcoin charts are starting to look very good, bouncing from this mid-level of support. Of course, we have been talking about this mid-level of support. Holding above us means that we are going to be trading inside of this upper side of the range. Now, falling below it was meaning that we're going to be trading but in this lower side of the range. Now, right now, we're still holding above, so still looking very good. We are consolidating inside of a new pattern, and honestly, this structure that we are creating right now for Bitcoin is starting to look very good. Why? Because, well, Bitcoin is going in towards this consolidation with a bullish momentum. We are reversing our trend for the Bitcoin price, okay? We are making still higher highs and higher lows, so still looking very good. We have been grabbing that downside liquidity right now, pushing in towards its consolidation with upwards momentum. Right now, getting a cool off period and yeah, creating this falling wedge pattern. But it's only going to be a matter of time until eventually we are going to be breaking out a bullish, because all of the Bitcoin liquidity is right now piling up on the top side. We can be having a look into what's the Bitcoin liquidity, and all of that liquidity is sitting at 107.2k level. So looking very good. Usually Bitcoin always tends to go towards a place where the majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is sitting at. Right now it's sitting at the top side. We are creating a bullish pattern. We have been seeing a typical Bitcoin bull market fake out pattern over here, breaking towards the downside. Right now coming back towards the upside, trying to be breaking back above our symmetrical triangle. Yeah, shaking out all of the weekends, grabbing all of the downside liquidity. So looking very good. Bitcoin right now is starting to create this higher low inside of this range that we're still trading in. So looking very good. I still do think that we are about to be headed towards the upper side of this range again. And then after reaching that level, we can be having a look into whether we're going to be breaking above this level of resistance, because still that 110k level of resistance for Bitcoin is going to be the level we want to be breaking above. Whenever we're going to be breaking above this level, then we're easily going to be reaching new all-time highs and new all-time highs. But right now that's not yet happening. We still need to be breaking above this level of resistance. But I still do think that it's going to be happening anytime soon, because we've been trading instead of this small consolidation, of course, been grabbing our downside liquidity. Right now the price action for Bitcoin is starting to look great. So yeah, it's only going to be a matter of time until we're going to be initiating that next leg towards the upside, and we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance. Now, Bitcoin history is still exactly being repeated. We are right now trading inside of our fifth wave, where I still think that the altcoins are going to be exploding and alt season is really going to be getting started. Now, more on that exactly a little bit later. First of all, about Bitcoin. Well, the Bitcoin funding rates are still looking very good. Over on Bybit, even negative, which is meaning that the majority of the liquidity is piling up on the top side. So yeah, that's a very bullish development going on over right now. Anyways, the FOMC meeting is today already in 10 hours as of recording this video. No rate cuts are going to be getting expected, but it's going to be very important what Jerome Powell has about to say during the FOMC meeting. Is he going to be a little bit more hawkish, or is he going to be a little bit more dovish? That's going to be very important to be having a look in towards. Now, it's going to be expected that we're only going to be seeing like 1 or maybe 2 rate cuts this year. But honestly, in my personal opinion, I think we're going to be seeing way more rate cuts this year, which is going to be bullish for the market. But honestly, in my opinion, even if we are going to be seeing this consolidation in interest rates, well, I still think it's going to be very bullish for the market. And I still do think that, yeah, consolidation is going to be one of the most bullish things that can happen for the markets at this current moment. Anyways, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because another massive opportunity is literally coming up right now with this massive falling wedge. I'm definitely going to be getting interested in trading this breakout over here. Anyways, if you are going to be getting interested in doing the same thing, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming $100,000 deposit bonus, which is completely insane. Now, the best thing is over on Blofin, there's no KYC required. Now, do of course check if it's going to be available in your country or your region. So make sure to be checking that one out with that first link down below. If it is going to be available in your country, then you can be claiming this insane deposit bonus. If it is not going to be available in your country, you need to be checking out Bybit with that second link down below, because Bybit is the most regulated exchange, but Blofin is right now the best exchange. Now, anyways, talking about Ethereum, Ethereum is making an even more beautiful falling wedge pattern at this current moment. A lot of people are hating on Ethereum right now, but I still think that Ethereum is going to be massively recovering and eventually is going to be breaking this falling wedge pattern, very bullish towards the upside. And whenever it finally does break this one out towards the upside, then I think we're going to be seeing one of the biggest rallies in crypto. Then the real alt season is going to be starting. But honestly, for Ethereum, the real level of resistance we want to be breaking above is going to be that 4K level of resistance. Whenever we can be breaking above this level of resistance over here, that's going to be the moment where the real alt season is going to be getting started. And that's going to be the moment where we are about to make so much money. So I myself am having my eyes wide open on Ethereum. This is going to be a massive opportunity coming up at this current moment. Many people are fading Ethereum, but I'm just going to be having a look into towards Ethereum. I think a massive opportunity is going to be coming up over here. Anyways, alt season is also still around the corner. Just like I said, I think it's going to be happening whenever Ethereum is going to be breaking above this level of resistance. Then I think the real alt season is going to be getting started. So let's see when that's going to be happening. I mean, this is going to be a longer term play. This is not going to be playing out overnight. This is going to be taking some time before the real alt season is finally going to be happening. Of course, do keep that in mind. I've been saying it so many times. But this stuff I'm talking about over here, this is going to be some longer term stuff. This is not going to be playing out overnight, just like I've said. Patience is what's being needed for these larger time frame moves that are about to happen and that are still on the horizon. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on X to be staying up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.